Come test drive the 2015 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power lift gate, power passenger seat, traction control, Bluetooth, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, 1 owner, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.